if you go in any real estate group, it's a very high percentage of people who are ditching business cards. This is my opinion, Ryan. I don't know what you teach, and I apologize if it's different, but I think the single most colossal error you could ever make in the history of real estate, mortgage, financial planner, insurance, chiropractor, dentist, network marketer is to say, I don't need a card. My information is in their phone. That is out of sight, out of mind, baby. I meet a roofer in this instance, and I'm going to hand them a stack of my cards, and I'm going to teach them how to hand them to the potential client. Now, he isn't going to do anything for me, Ryan. Nothing. If I haven't handed out his cards, I'm going to walk up and down the street and hand out his cards, everybody I know, to earn the right to teach him how to send me referrals.
Yep, 100% believe that. And that's where it comes from, taking that reciprocity chain and starting it first. And you got to be the one who's going to kickstart that. And again, so many agents sit back and go, well, if they know I'm a good agent, or they're just going to refer me because they need someone. The reality is you got to give first to get. But you can't come from that. You have to come from genuinely, like you said, that carpet cleaner may not give you a referral. If you find good people you can trust and work with, and then just help them anyways, it will pay off.
The law of reciprocity, the law of attraction, the law of sowing and reaping are the main three that people need to understand. What are these laws? Well, let me just throw one thing at you real quick. When you drop the apple and it hits the ground, why? Because there's the law of gravity. Can you see it? No. The law of reciprocity. So real quick, Ryan, you didn't know we were going here. All the religions in the world, they only agree on two things. They don't agree on anything else except these two things. You ready?
Yeah.
Love and the belief in the law of reciprocity.
Yeah.
So in the Quran, in the Bhagavad Gita, in the Bible, in every historical writing in the history of the world, it says things like, ye who wishes to tread on soft soil must first add the water. I'll stop there.
Yeah.
But they all talk about give with zero thought of return, and abundance comes from the most unexpected places, the most unexpected sources, at the most unexpected time, in the most unexpected amount.
Yeah.
So we're not doing these things strictly to see what we're going to get, and I'm going to prove that point. Number one, when you're handing out a roofer's card to a person, is because you notice they got a crappy roof.
Yeah.
Number two, I'm trying everything I can to get business for that roofer. If I please the person who has the crappy roof and I please the roofer, I know, Ryan, I know, and you know, that someday that roofer is going to send me business.
Yep.
We don't know when. We don't know how much, but we know it will happen. So with that faith, I cannot see the law of gravity. I cannot see the law of attraction, law of abundance, or law of sowing and reaping, but I know it exists.
Yeah.
Back to you. Sorry.
Yeah, no, that's great, and it's so true, because a lot of agents focus on what can I get from this, and then they don't give because they didn't do it. And again, you're doing multiple things with when you come to referrals. It's you're helping the people that you serve, and you're helping the people that you're working with, those local businesses, and then the people that you're partnering with. And you do that enough times, it may not be you're not reciprocating from them directly.
Correct.
Like you said, it was the person who had the great service is going to refer you. So you just got to keep doing it, and it'll definitely pay off.
Yeah, and the law of abundance says, I find that roofer business.
Yeah.
The law of abundance also in there says, remember, abundance comes from the most unexpected places, the most unexpected sources. So when people go, well, that roofer never sends me business, the law of abundance doesn't say put shackles on it. Law of abundance says it will come.
Yeah.
So, Ryan, I've made millions and millions of dollars with this. I'm going to give that roofer business. Ryan, what if he never sends me business? The law of abundance says it's going to come. I'm going to be in the grocery store. Someone's going to look over and see my real estate agent name badge and go, you won't believe it. I woke up this morning and I think I want to sell my home. That didn't come from you standing in the grocery store, Ryan. Yeah. That came because you found that roofer business. If people don't know how to connect that, they're never going to make millions of dollars. It's impossible. When you make millions of dollars, you got to understand, just help other people and it will come, but maybe not from that guy.
Yeah, exactly. It's like Zig Ziglar.
Let's do it with the accent, Ryan. If we're gonna do it, we got to do it. You can get anything in life you want if you just help enough other people get what they want.
So true in this business. And again, we need to focus on that And again, from the farming perspective, if we focus on our community first, it's a great place to start to help them and to give back. That's where you're going to see the results.
And the reason we're doing that localized farming, and you're one of the very few people I've ever met who does it or teaches that, the localized farming, it's going to sound crazy because I know you need money. I know COVID hit people hard. We all need to make money. Here's the thing. When we're doing this localized farming, Ryan, it has to be, the only reason is because you want to help the local business owners. It's not, I'm doing all this, I better get some sales. You will. But you should never say, I better, or I'm going to, or I have to get, no. Because you're breaking the law of abundance, the law of sowing and reaping, and you're breaking the law of attraction. You're breaking 3 laws. You go to jail.
Yeah. What's how can our viewers check out what you're up to and connect with you if they'd like to?
So my email is onereferralaway@gmail.com, onereferralaway@gmail.com. My website is onereferralaway.com, onereferralaway.com, and YouTube, One Referral Away.
Awesome. So we'll put that in the show notes so people can check that out. So Rick, thank you for sharing your passion. You can clearly see how passionate you are and the wisdom and the experience. And I hope that the agents will go out there and really rethink how they see referral partners and networking in their community and really make that a solid part of the business. Because if they do that, I think they can really change the trajectory of what they do in their farm. So thank you for sharing that. And I know our viewers are really going to appreciate it.
Thank you very much. Honor to be with you. Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.